You as a medical practitioner, what are your thoughts and opinion about what's going on now?
Kung walang corruption ever since, maganda ang healthcare system ng Pilipinas. Syempre, government hospital, libre naman eh. Kaya lang, usually, walang facilities, walang gamot, etc. O sige, nandito kami mga doktor, libre kami. Pero yung mga materials, like, may darating sa emergency room, may sugat or what, walang betadine, babibilihin mo ba yung kamag-anak ng betadine or bulak sa labas? Makikita mo doon kung gaano kakawawa ang mga ibang tao. Napapabayaan ng healthcare system, no?
We've seen a lot of nurses, doctors, pupunta sila sa abroad to work. How can we retain them so that hindi na sila mapunta sa ibang bansa?
Hindi mo sila masisisi na nagkaganon kasi syempre they have families eh, no, na kinakailangang pakainin, no. Kami mga doktor na natira dito, syempre we really want to serve our country. Kaya lang